Welcome back, everyone. Brett Canaday here, Juice Feaster on all the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so that you can make sure you receive the videos that I drop weekly on the tips, tricks, and technology of how to take your health to the next level with juicing. Okay, let's get into today's video. How much juice should you drink in a day on a juice feast, a juice fast, a solid food vacation, a juice cleanse, whatever you want to call it? One of the biggest mistakes that I see juice cleansers make is that they don't drink enough calories. Typically, juice cleanse formulas or protocols that you see or packages that you can buy from restaurants or juice bars who are selling cleanses typically only involve 3 to 5 16-ounce servings of juice per day. This usually adds up to only about 1,000 calories per day, and most recommendations for both men and women typically tend to be in that range for men and women, 1,800 to 3,000 calories per day. Now, you think, I'm on a juice cleanse, I'm on a restriction diet, right? No, that's not the point. The main point on a juice cleanse is to empty your system out, but be able to carry out life's daily activities. You have a work life, you have a family life, you have hobbies. There's so many things that need energy and attention. We have to stay fueled up. If you're going to do a 2 or 3 day cleanse, you might be able to make it on 1,000 calories per day. But at the end of that cleanse, you're going to be so hungry, you're going to want to binge on foods that are not part of your plan, okay? So with that in mind, here is what I drink in a day on even an extended juice cleanse, juice feast, solid food vacation. This right here, this whole lineup here is 2,400 calories. Now, depending upon my activity level, I might have a little bit less than this, or I might have a little bit more than this. So it's important to know that you can flex this to adjust for your levels of activity throughout your day. I have 2 green juices here. These are about 300 calories each. I have a lineup here of fruit juices and fruit juice blends that equal about 450 calories each. So 2 green juices. This is my celery cilantro tonic recipe. This recipe here in the middle is a recipe called the Red Rogue. It's a beet cucumber juice. It's about 450 calories. I have a grapefruit juice and an orange juice. Here again, 450 calories. And then my everybody's doing it carrot, apple, ginger, turmeric recipe, and that's about 450 calories. The straight fruit juices are going to contain a lot more calories than your green juices. So if you're looking to add more calories, something like apple juice, orange juice, grape juice, any of those straight fruit juices will add a lot more calories to your daily intake if you're interested in getting your calories up. On top of that, I recommend that you aim for at least a half gallon of water minimum, and aim for the ultimate goal to get 1 gallon of water on top of the juices that you consume. With that, I like to add in at least 1 serving of Daily Green Boost. It's a barley grass juice powder that ensures that we get all of the minerals that might be deficient in the modern produce that we're using to make our juice out of. So, key takeaway here is don't restrict your calories. If you're interested in doing a juice cleanse and you want to go long term and get all the benefits of doing the juice cleanse, cleaning out your system, you've got to be able to carry out life's daily activities. So hit your calorie mark. One great way to make sure that you're getting enough calories is to use the website Cronometer.com. I've got a link in the description box below. It's the way that I estimate all of the calories for all of the juices that I'm making and consuming. I don't get super obsessed about it, but I just like to have an approximation of what I'm consuming in the day to make sure that I'm not restricting. Because if you restrict even a couple hundred calories per day over the course of 3 to 5 days, this can really add up to a lot of calories And that deficiency will then lead to cravings, and it's going to lead to you breaking the cleanse on foods that you're not interested in being part of your healthy plan. So I hope you're able to get something out of this video today that will help you on your juice cleanse. If you're interested in following the same plan that I followed to go 105 days on juice only, click the link in the description box. I have my free Juice Feasters protocol. It's the exact plan that I use to do 100 plus days on juice only, as well as lose 25 pounds in 30 days. So until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends.